Hello student of class 12, this is the second video related to plane. Second sum is find the vector equation of the plane in scalar product form r dot n equal to n where r equal to I minus j plus lambda I plus j plus k plus mu 4i minus 2j plus 3k. We know that the equation, this is the solution part, r equal to a plus lambda b plus mu c. Here r equal to a plus lambda b plus mu c represents a plane passing through a point A and parallel to the vectors b and c. Okay. Passing through the point A whose position vector is A and parallel to the vector B and C. Where mu and lambda and mu are scalars. Okay. Here this is equal to A, this is equal to mu into B, and this is lambda into B, and this is equal to mu into C. That means I can write here A vector equal to I minus j, B vector equal to I plus j plus k, C vector equal to 4i minus 2j plus 3k. Okay. From here I can tell the given plane is perpendicular to the vector n, that means B cross C. Okay. Here B cross C equal to, that means n equal to I j k 1 1 1 and component of I j and k from C I will get 4 minus 2 and 3. So the determinant is 5i plus j minus 6k. Okay. This is n. So the vector equation of the plane in scalar product form is r dot n equal to a dot n, this is equal to d, we know it. Here r, this is n vector, that means 5i plus j minus 6k, this is equal to a dot n, a vector equal to I minus j dot n equal to 5i plus j minus 6k. Okay. So from here I can write r dot 5i plus j minus 6k, this is equal to 5 minus j, that is 4. This is the required vector equation of the plane, and from here I can also tell that the Cartesian equation of the given plane is 5x plus y minus 6z equal to 4, where r vector equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay. The third sum is find the vector equation in scalar product form, where r equal to 1 plus s minus t I plus 2 minus sj plus 3 minus 2s plus 2t k. This equation can be written in this way: I plus 2j plus 3k and s I minus j minus 2k plus t minus I plus 2k. Okay. It is in the form of a plus sb plus tc. This is the general form of the vector equation of a plane which is passing through a point A whose position vector is A and parallel to the vector B and C. Okay. From here I can write this is equal to A, this is equal to B, this is equal to C vector. Okay. And the given vector is parallel to this vector n equal to B cross C. From here I will do this sum by following the previous sum. B cross C equal to I j k one minus 1 minus 2. This is the component of I, j and k from B, and minus 1 0 minus 2. This is the component of I, j, k of C. Okay. From here I will write this equal to minus 2I minus k. So the vector equation of the plane in scalar product form is r dot n equal to a dot n. This is equal to d. From here I can write r dot and a equal to I minus 2j plus 3k dot minus 2y minus k, this is equal to minus 2 minus 3, that is equal to minus 5, and r dot minus 2 minus k. From here I can write it r dot 2y plus k, this is equal to 5. Cancelling the negative sign from both sides, I will get it, and this is the required vector equation of the plane in scalar product form. And from here I can say that the Cartesian equation of this plane is 2x plus z, this is equal to 5, where r equal to xi plus yj plus zk. Okay, I am ending here.